We are here with this Samsung M04 for those of you who forgot the pattern lock or PIN. We will teach you how to remove this password. We always remind you to first remove your SIM card and memory card. We will also teach you, or rather, we will also give you a tip on how you can, unlock the password and Gmail of the Google account, not just on this device, but any other device where you need to unlock your Google email and password. But that's in case you forgot, no? Yep, first we are going to remove this password here. As you can see, the device has a lock icon up here and it's asking to enter the PIN. So you see it says here, incorrect PIN entered.
So let's go.
I also want to remind you that in some cases you will need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you need to turn on your computer. It cannot be turned off. The computer cannot be turned off to recognize and enter recovery mode, which I will show you here. So, the first attempt you can do as you see fit, either with the cable or without the cable. We will do it here first without the cable, okay? So, remember that this procedure will erase everything that is in its memory. Unfortunately, there is no other alternative for you who forgot this password. There is no other way to do it, okay?
So leave the device on this emergency screen here.
You will press the minus button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the minus button, press the plus button. When the name Samsung appears on the screen and the word continue appears here on the screen, release the power button, only the power button, and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I will show you here to make it easier for you. So let's go, folks. We stopped here to assist. So as we said, press the minus and power together until the device restarts. Let's wait for this time.
Release the minus, press the plus.
Now let's wait for the name Samsung to appear on the screen. Release the powers and keep holding the volume up button. Let's see if it will enter recovery mode. There, this is recovery mode. No cable needed. Remember that this procedure also works for other Samsung models as well. Now we go to this option here, wipe data factory reset, go down by pressing the minus button, confirm with power, go down with minus again and confirm with power again. Let's wait for this information to complete. Once here, you confirm once more and then just wait and you'll see that your device will no longer have any lock screen password. Then you just configure it normally, enter your email, your Google password if you still remember it, if you haven't forgotten, and you'll be able to use your device again. But if you forgot your email and Google password, we can do this unlocking from anywhere you are, even remotely. You can contact and speak directly with me to ask your questions, clear your doubts, and also check the cost of your unlocking. If this video helped you, if you can within your sins make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. And that was today's video. Thanks, take care. Donc, est-ce qu'on va faire